Hi, my name is Dr. Andrew Moore, and I am an orthopedic surgeon here at Henry Ford Allegiance, and my specialty is foot and ankle surgery. One of the things that is great about foot and ankle surgery is that there's more variety in our field than really a lot of other fields, particularly in orthopedics. And so everything's sort of interrelated, but there's no two patients that are ever exactly the same. So, I go in to see a patient in one room, and then the next patient I can guarantee you will be a completely different situation, and that really keeps things exciting for me. I always say that it's nice to make a connection and know sort of who your doctor is. Grew up in the South and didn't come to Michigan until 20 years ago almost, and I've stayed here and I enjoy having a family here and raising my family here in Michigan. I have always had high regard for the Henry Ford system. And so what I think that they're doing here in Jackson, especially in just the last few years, is really exciting. I want to be part of it. Taking patients from a problem and then through, whether it's surgery or some other treatment, and then through their recovery, and in the end, hopefully, their problem's either resolved or much better, and that they're happy that they came to see me for that. I want patients to feel that they're not part of a system or a number, that when they're seeing me with a problem, that nuances that affect how they perceive their care are going to be appreciated by their surgeon, and that not everything I do is surgical. They come to me with a problem, and my job is to help fix that problem.